the latency test, we adopt one HDMI output. We adopt PGM type just now, and it has 3 types. Let's have a look at it. Now you can see it has PGM mode, that is program, and PVW mode, that is preview, and multi-view mode. Let's confirm it. And now you can see the whole screen of RA and can see the operation. And you can switch at the whole screen. Let's choose first PGM type. Confirm it. Now you can see the video is from live stream program. Let's choose PVW mode. Confirm it. And it is preview window from. In the resolution, you can choose many. You can choose different resolution and confirm it. Okay, that's all. Thank you.